So in this video, we will see how a function can return multiple value at once. Like it can return a message, and also it will return an age. It will return many values. So let's see how to do it. So here I am defining a function def, then it will return multiple value, great, and pass name and pass age as well, and return. I want to return name comma age, but it is not looking good. So we have to name is equal to it in with it will be in capital letter. So name dot all in capital letter. So name dot upper upper, and then age will be in age will be let age will be age, then it will return name and age as well. So let's execute it. Now call grid function and pass values. It is for at first position it is expecting names. So in it is required that we need to pass name at first, then we need to pass age. If we pass name at second position, then it will associate name to age. So just say name age, name is Rahul, and then age is 25. Then what it will return? Rahul and 25. So it is actually returning, not printing. As you can see here, it is returning anything? No. It is printing anything? No. It is returning. So let's check it. It is associating it with it this grade, and then Rohan initializing x with this, and then 25. So now x is capital. All the letters are in Rohan age capital, and its age is returning. So it actually return if it return the function. Sorry, it will function will return multiple value if then it return in tuple format. So while returning multiple value, it is returning in tuple, because tuple can be unpacked. So we can unpack and name and age equal to x. Now age equal to x. So you can see now name will be associated with Rohal, and age will be, that is why it is returning in tuple format. So you see that how a function can return multiple value as well, and in which data structure it will return multiple value. So I think this is enough for this video. We will meet you in next one. Thanks.